So first one, y is equal to tan inverse root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Y is equal to tan inverse root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So here you are required to apply half angles formula, simplify and then differentiate. So if I apply half angle formula, tan inverse root of 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 and 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. Sin square by cos square will be tan square. So you will have tan inverse root of tan square x by 2. Tan square x by 2. So root and square gets cancelled. You will have tan inverse of tan x by 2. Square root and square gets cancelled. So tan inverse and tan gets cancelled. What remains? X by 2. So you will have y is equal to x by 2 and dy by dx. If you differentiate, dy by dx will be equal to 1 by 2. So differentiation of x is 1. So you will have answer 1 by 2. Clear, students? Similarly, you can try y is equal to tan inverse root of 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x. Same formulas. I have taken a reciprocal of this 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x. So you can try, apply the formulas, then simplify and finally differentiate to find the answer. So what you got? Tan inverse root of 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 and 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 2 sin square x by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. Cos square by sin square is tan square. So you will have tan inverse root of tan square x by 2. Tan square x by 2. Square root and square gets cancelled. You will have tan inverse tan x by 2. Tan inverse of tan x by 2. So now tan inverse and tan gets cancelled. So what remains? Y is equal to, cos square by sin square. You will have cot square over here. So you will have cot square x by 2. Cot square x by 2. So root and square gets cancelled. So you will have tan inverse of cot x by 2. Cot x by 2. Now you are required to convert this cot into tan. So you will have y is equal to tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus x by 2. You are required to convert this cot to tan. Tan pi by 2 minus x by 2. So tan inverse tan gets cancelled. You will have pi by 2 minus x by 2. Now differentiate dy by dx. Pi by 2 differentiation is 0. That of x by 2 will have minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. Clear, students? Similarly, third one, y is equal to tan inverse root of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. Again you can try, apply half angles formula for both numerator and denominator. Okay. So if you apply formula to the numerator, tan inverse root of 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 bracket square. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 bracket square. 1 minus sin x is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 bracket square. So square root and square gets cancelled. So you'll have tan inverse into bracket. Square root and square gets cancelled. So in numerator what remains? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. And in the denominator you will have cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 bracket complete. Now again divide both numerator and denominator by cos x by 2. So if I divide both numerator and denominator by cos x by 2, so I will have y is equal to tan inverse. So if I divide numerator by cos x by 2, this gets cancelled. You will have 1 plus tan x by 2. 1 plus tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan x by 2. So if you divide numerator by cos, this gets cancelled. 1 plus tan x by 2. This gets cancelled. 1 minus tan x by 2. So now if you observe this bracket, again it is formula for tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So you will have tan inverse into bracket tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now tan inverse tan gets cancelled. So you will have y is equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. And finally differentiate, you will have dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. Clear, students? So you can pause, note down the solution, then we will go for the next one. Fourth one. So again I will change sign over here. 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x. So just I have changed plus minus. So numerator I have taken minus, denominator I have taken plus. So now if I again apply formula, tan inverse root of 1 minus sin x. If I apply half angle formula, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 bracket square. Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 bracket square. Similarly, in denominator if I apply cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 bracket square. So now again square root and square gets cancelled. So you will have tan inverse square root and square gets cancelled into bracket. So what remains is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, and in the denominator cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now next step is again divide numerator and denominator by cos x by 2. So if you divide, this becomes 1, this will be tan. Same here, this will be 1, here you will have tan. So y is equal to tan inverse into bracket. So you will have 1 minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2. 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2. So now this bracket, again it is formula of tan inverse into bracket tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. So this bracket is formula of tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. So tan inverse tan gets cancelled. So you will have y is equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now differentiate, you will have the answer. dy by dx is equal to, this is 0. Differentiation of x by 2 you will have 1 by 2, this minus remains. So you will have minus 1 by 2. Clear, students? So you can pause and go through this solution. So if you don't remember this half angles formula, you can go to my previous videos which I have given in playlist, where you will find a video on all the formulas of multiple and half angles. Clear, students? Again in next session, I will take other type of problems based on tan inverse formula, which will be for 1 marks or 2 marks. Okay, thank you, students.